Welcome everybody back to Recipejoes. My name is Cornelius Joe. Hope you all having a wonderful day, because I am, because we're down here downtown Huntsville going to the food truck rally September the 7th, 2019. This is the breakfast version of it. So we've got multiple trucks down here. Come on down and check it out for those who live in Huntsville. If not, and you can't get here, I'll walk around and eat for you. Least I can do. All right, let's check it out. The local food truck scene in Huntsville is one of the best I've ever seen. And it's a lot of fun. You can get out, try different things, and that's what it's all about. Here on Recipejoes, the love of food spans all kinds of genres. So with that said, let's check them out. We're going to talk about each one of the trucks that we saw, and we're going to go from there. This should be a lot of fun. We're going to check out the other side of the street where we had the food trucks. We've got Fire and Spice, a really good food truck. We'll talk about them a little bit later. But what I want to bring your attention to is one that I have not seen around here before. It's a cupcake place that I talked to a guy named David who was manning the guns with the cupcakes. And here's their information. He was really good, did a really good job in talking up the company, and was very knowledgeable and showed me a lot of cool cupcakes. The one I had bacon in it, so sweet and savory together. How could you go wrong? It was very good, by the way. He also turned me on to them having a cupcake war coming here in the latter part of this month. So if I got enough time, I definitely want to go check that out. I'm always up for a good food fight, so we should check that out definitely. Beast Mode. That was pretty good. Beast Mode is a food truck that I tried out, and it was really good, guys. The chef on board is an actual chef. He's a French chef, so it's like a rolling bistro wherever you go. And you can tell by the food that was being served, and you can also tell by the quality and just the sheer craziness that they had going on here with the kind of ingredients that they use on what they made. I tried a Monte Cristo bagel from them. Was insane, to the point where I cut my eating in half so I could have some more later on in the day. So just goes to show how great they were. Manic Organic, another really, really good food truck. I talked to Jeremiah there, one of the head guys there at Manic Organic, and has a restaurant as well. I think we got us a hookup of the minds going on. We sat there and talked about things. Really good people, really good food, and I'm definitely going to go in and try more from this food truck as well. If you're trying to eat healthier and come up with some alternatives, not neglecting your flavor, Manic Organic is a really good spot to hang out at. Hippie Camper was a food truck. When I first saw it, it's so unique looking. Like, what is that? Look like it's just something hooked to the back of somebody's truck. But looks can be deceiving. They had a really interesting and fun layout, how they done their everything from their print, as far as their business cards, their look, their menu. So innovative. Had a lot of fun, talking to Luann Hardy there. That is the owner's mom and the main cook. So we kindred spirits, and we hit it off well. I hope to work with them in the future. They were a lot of fun. Fire and Spice has been around for a while. One of the more well-known was especially with that skull and the Fire and Spice logo, which I really like. Love the way the truck looks. Food is really good. Tex-Mex, deal, really good food, really good flavor. So definitely one to look out for in and around Huntsville. I love bacon, which I have a love relationship with for years. This food truck is really, really good. Take bacon all throughout the menu. You can't help but to win. Jacob there is really great guy. Talk to him a lot. They got several locations going on now and got some new things coming down the pipe for the Huntsville area as well. I don't want to give it away. Just stay tuned. They have trucks in Huntsville, of course, Birmingham as well, and they're doing really well. If you want something different that's really, really good, I love bacon. You can't go wrong. You just literally close your eyes and point to anything on the menu. You're going to win. Golden Years Ice Cream Parlor and Diner was something that I saw on the side. I was like, I needed some dessert, and this was really good. They had ice cream. They had different other novelty items that was really, really good price. They've been around for some years now, and I'm glad to see them out and about. That's the first time I've seen them around at a food truck rally as well. Food Truck All-Stars this Saturday was very, very good. Had a lot of fun talking to all of the vendors and talking about what they're doing in the future. This was definitely worth braving the heat that we had midday going there. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're trying to make this channel grow to astronomical proportions, but we need your help to like, share, subscribe, and spread the word. Recipejoes is out there helping restaurants all the way down to food trucks to anybody who's trying to start anything food related. We do this because we love it. And again, people keep asking me, why do you do what you do? It's for the love of food. All right, talk to y'all later. Peace.
Hit that subscribe button. Press it, press it.